saying that.
No, we have an issue now. You have an issue now. You have any ID on you?
No, I came here to fill this out. Yeah, I came here to fill this out.
Okay. You reached in the drug box, took a bag of shit out and brought it in the bathroom. We have no idea if you took something or not.
I just said he can search me.
Dude, it's not going to change shit if you already took it.
I didn't leave.
You already ingested something.
Bro.
How do I know what was in that bag to begin with?
Let's go look. It's
How
right
do I know
there.
what was in there to begin with?
Because it's right. I don't have anything. It's in there. I just brought it to you.
Yeah, that doesn't mean you didn't ingest it.
It's in the bag.
That doesn't
There's
mean
nothing
you
to
didn't swallow
ingest. It's fucking hydroxyzine and gabapentin. I fucking am prescribed that. I was hoping maybe. I was hoping potentially, if I was luckiest person on earth, maybe there'd be a bag of fucking oxys in there.
Well, now you're the
There wasn't.
unluckiest
It's
person in the
only-
world.
I'd say he was just in possession of prescriptions.
I would say you're the unluckiest person in the world because you just got yourself jammed up.
Bruh.
Bro, nothing.
What?
You went into something you're not supposed to be in. You took shit out and you went into the bathroom.
I had possession?
You just stole this, and you were in possession of pills that are not yours.
No, I didn't put them
That's
in there.
possession
Though.
of
I
control.
just
No, but
took them-
you went into a
he said
restricted
if I
box.
look on the video,
You took it out.
You said to me, if I look on the video, well, I see you taking stuff out of there and going to the bathroom. I said, yes. That's what I took out and went in the bathroom. And then it's all in there. I didn't even open any. I just looked at the I just read the name.
And again, we have no idea what was in that bag before you took it out and went into a locked bathroom and did whatever you did.
I went in there, read the names of the box.
Where on this box does it say, free for taking, take whatever you want?
I don't see it saying don't take anything else either.
It's in a secure box. It's a pharmaceutical drug return.
Well, I didn't know that. It doesn't say. It doesn't say don't take anything. Does it? Does it say don't take anything? Does it?
Do they belong to you?
Does it say don't take anything? I didn't know. It doesn't say don't take anything. And I've been honest for you since the first second. Alright, well I've been honest with you since the first second.
Okay.
And that's
doesn't mean you didn't take
everything.
anything.
I told you you can search me. I have nothing on me except
Can't
my
search
phone.
inside you where you might have swallowed a drug.
Bro,
Stop calling me bro, first of all.
No, because you're just trying to get me in trouble. I already been
you
honest.
did that to yourself.
I know, and I've been honest with you from the second because I know I messed up.
You don't walk into a police lobby.
All right, listen.
Prescription
When I got
drugs goes to the
arrested,
bathroom.
you're right.
I know.
When I got arrested for this, for what I'm here for, it was a drug charge. Okay. You know what happened that day? I told them all the drugs are in my car. Take them. They took them, arrested me, booked me. I don't fucking lie to police about shit. I did a robbery once. They found me. I told them everything. I just told you everything again. Yes, I went in there. Yes, I went in the bathroom.
And you know what?
I just said, obviously, if I found some fucking Xanax and oxys, I would have like, fuck yeah, I took them and left. It's fucking, it's like a gabapentin, a hydroxyzine, and like high blood pressure meds, which has no use to me, so I put them back in the bathroom.
And honesty is a great policy. However, that doesn't mean you can break the law because you're honest. That's illegal.
Like I said, it doesn't say, I didn't know, it doesn't say anything. It also says no syringes, which was in there, which I put back in.
It's not a defense, but you're more than welcome to try that.
Well, like I said, I'm sorry. It's back. I didn't want to put it back in there. I just figured that would look sus. So.
No, you going into the box and taking shit out looks sus.
Yeah, you're right. It does. But well, maybe you shouldn't fucking leave it in the lobby.
All right.
Bruh, I'm sorry to keep saying, bruh. I'm sorry. I just want to fill this out and leave.
Yeah. Well, no, we're beyond that now. What's the level?
I don't understand why we can't just...
Why we can't just... What? Because you didn't find, your own admission, you didn't find what you were looking for, and it should just go away?
If I grabbed that bag and ran out the fucking door, or was in there and you guys knocked, and I'm in there stuffing pills in my pants or something, and I try and run away, I'd understand. I'd be like, alright, fine, no trouble.
How is that?
Because I'm here telling you what happened, and they're all right
Again,
there.
because you're honest, the crime is okay?
But it doesn't. Where does it say to not touch it? To not
They
do
are not
anything
yours.
It's not yours.
Yeah, you're right.
No,
So I put them back.
there.
So I put them back.
No, you didn't put them back.
I need to finish this.
Yes, you need a pen.
You didn't put them back. Now you've jammed yourself up again. Good, you're not going to walk into a police department lobby, steal drugs out of a box, and walk out.
That's not why I came here. I came here for that.
It's not happening.
Knock it off, bro. Bro, get the fuck off. Stop.
I'm not even doing nothing, bro. I'm not doing nothing.
Behind your back.
Hey, yo, you're going to
Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I got it.
Yeah, you just body
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, fuck you, pussy. Call me a faggot again.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah,
Say that.
what? I got a good ass lawyer, bitch.
Good for you.
Yeah, I hope bring it up with your. Oh yeah, knee on my face. Knee on my face again, bitch.
Stop moving.
Fuck you. Suck my dick, faggot.
Stop moving. We're gonna need like.
I ain't moving, bitch.
That's not a break. You're a big case.
No, you don't think you guys are tough. You guys are fucking bitches.
We're gonna get these doors.
Do not bandana, asshole.
You got anything else on him?
I ain't got shit on me. And y'all better not take my fucking shit again.
Shut up, dude.
Fuck you.
Nick, I wanna get some supplies real quick. And
Yo, can you get the fuck? Bro, I cannot fucking breathe, bro.
you're breathing.
You are crushing my chest.
Pocket, right? Stop pushing against us then.
I didn't move. You're pushing me down with 7 motherfuckers. You saying I'm mad tiny, but I fucking need as many people to hold down a fucking 145-pound child, bro.
You say you're a child. How old are you?
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yep.
Are these good?
Alright,
Listen to my stuff.
what's your name,
I
man?
got a finger in.
Fuck you. You already know my name. Bitch, you already said it.
Alright, so you're gonna have to comply, or we're gonna have to take corrective action.
I'll comply. Y'all comply. I want my key and my wallet and my bandana. That's it.
Yep. We'll keep your property with you.
Alright,
No, you
so
won't. Last time y'all stole it.
listen to me.
Y'all, the last time I got arrested by y'all stole my personal property, so I want it back.
Stay on face down on the ground or not?
I don't give a fuck. Y'all are
I
faggots.
thought you couldn't breathe. Relax, we'll sit you up.
I couldn't when one of you faggots was pressing my chest against the ground. Now you're not, because it's all chill, right?
Well, you probably should have complied.
And it wasn't chill when whichever douchebag you slammed me on the fucking ground when my hands were in the air. Fuck you, whichever one of you were. Right, you were mine.
Get him in cell. What's the charge up there?
Larceny, possession.
Yeah, larceny.
Is he stealing drugs out of the box?
Yeah.
Hey, let's take him outside. I'll pop the door for you boys.
Give me my shit, bro.
You don't get your shit in lockup, dude. You're going to lockup.
You go this way. You're going outside.
Bro, my hands are stuck.
Hey, who's got his ID?
Where are we going?
I got it.
Go out with them. Let's go walk.
Yo, wait. Who's the cop that body slammed me?
Oh, what the fuck is that?
What the fuck was that?
You a firework? That
I didn't have nothing.
I got my gun off.
Holy
You all right?
shit.
Oh, wow, nice.
Shut the fuck up.
Everything's good.
Nice.
Everything's
Someone
good.
should shoot me, bro.
Oh,
No, a gun goes off in here. Oh, this court case gonna be easy. Y'all shot a gun in here?
We'll take him up.
what?
Fix the cuffs, please, bro. My hands are fucking broken, bro.
Stop. This. Nobody else comes in here. Yeah.
Was that your gun or my phone number?
It's still.
I see it. It's still locked up.
Hey, you. Take your thing. Let's go.
Keep that secure.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Fix the cuffs on my hand, bro. It's not a fucking I'm not resisting. I can stop right here. I just want to fix my hand, the handcuff.
We're gonna take him off in a minute.
The cuffs are going on.
No, but just the left one.
They're tweaking it. Just stop.
Thank you.
He's turning colors
The
here.
left, yeah, the left.
I know.
I couldn't. I can't.
Stop moving.
Stop.
I'm not moving.
All right.
Holy fuck!
No. Just relax and we're going to
Bro.
loosen. Stop moving.
You're moving my
We have to
arm.
get to the unlock.
The left one.
We have to get to the hole to unlock it and loosen it.
Well, maybe
Just-
you didn't fucking tie.
no, maybe if you didn't fight with us, then it wouldn't
Bro,
happen this way.
I was manhandled by 4 of you. You said I'm so big. How was I fighting all 4 of you? I need to know the name of the cop that when both my hands were in the air, body slammed me.
Just shut up.
My foot off.
Why are your legs shaking?
Because y'all just fucking. What do you mean?
I don't know. You sound very aggressive in your voice, and you look very
Because
scared
y'all
with your
just
body.
attacked me to the
Hey, we're
floor
doing you a favor.
and a gun went off. What the fuck do you mean?
You want it loosened? Stop pulling away.
So what is his problem?
So stop talking.
He's saying,
relax.
why am I
Relax for a
shaking?
second.
You guys just shot. Gun just went off. in
We're
the
doing you a
fucking
favor.
lobby.
Otherwise, we can just drag you.
Yeah, it's a good favor. Let the gun go off in the lobby.
Come up with much. You're not gonna even do this.
Dude, you get a phone call. Good luck. It won't be anytime soon. Second hand up. Is that one, all those cameras working before? Yeah.
Yep.
What, what's up? Yeah, just leave those right on. Take your shoes off and shit too. Who?
Shot who around? I don't have footage too, because I have both my hands on me, and one, I don't know who it was, I know it wasn't you. I have both my hands in the air. I did a 180 in the air, standing on the ground. Zach, I came here to get the body cam footage for my last arrest.
So we are taking cuffs off. That's
Because you can have a shirt on, you just can't have like a scarf or bandana or something like that. It's our rules, we're not making it up.
The rules is also to shoot the guns in the lobby and it's to land people on the fucking ground face first. Great rules.
We're gonna take your cuffs off.
No.
Hashtag white George Floyd in here.
I'm gonna take the socks off first.
God, it's fucking ridiculous.
Oh, you know, it's apparent that you might be a drug dealer.
I am a drug dealer. Look, my last arrest.
You're a drug dealer?
Lift your
No,
foot.
a drug addict.
Hey,
My
lift your foot. Lift your foot.
Have a seat.
My last.
No, I'm gonna sit down. Yeah, sit down. Sit down.
The arrest I came here for, I got caught with a bunch of fentanyl pills.
Okay.
And I came here to get the body cam footage.
people that-
I'm a drug addict.
People that do drugs, they generally not really
Yeah.
make sure that you didn't have it.
You know what's funny? When I got arrested, they found 100 ones in my car. They didn't find ones in my sock, and I popped in the jail cell and they brought me to ER for it.
Oh, is this Angus? Alright, we're gonna take these, listen, it's Zach, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna take the handcuffs off you.
Alright, I know.
Listen, just listen. We're gonna take the handcuffs off you. You're gonna sit down.
Yeah, I
As
know.
long as you follow instruction, nothing else happens.
Can I get a cup of water if I sit down?
Yeah, we'll work that out to you.
I don't see how it's necessary, bro. Yeah, I get it. I went through the drug thing, but then I brought you back right to the drugs. You can see on camera.
Stop.
I don't know anything about this sex, so just.
Alright, all we know is that you're fighting with other cops. Keep your hand down. Stop!
Fighting with other cops,
Keep your
bro?
hand down by your side. Okay, face the wall.
Yeah, fighting with other cops. This other cop almost shot my fucking foot off. I wish that happened. That would have been an easy fucking charge for me to get some bread.
Sit down. Sit.
Sit here.
Okay, right now. Go on the side. Over there. Right.